If you've lost access to your Netflix account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the Netflix website or open the app. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Need Help. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Choose the Forgot Password option. This will prompt Netflix to send you an email to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Netflix. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Netflix login page and sign in with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.